Right, I don't know how best to film this, so what we're doing here is we're trying to take off this filter. It's not been changed for many a year because the tractor doesn't do a lot of work. So what we're going to use, no fancy tools, Baler twine, okay? So take an ordinary piece of Baler twine, put a knot in it near the end, okay? Simple loop knot. Now what we need to do is wrap this around something, and unfortunately here we have a new Holland diesel tank. Wrap it around a few times so you end up with something that looks a bit like that. Okay, right, now let me have a look, see if we're okay. I'm hoping the camera stays where it is while I lean on the mud guard. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this screwdriver hopefully, and this Baler twine. So first of all, let's get the Baler twine around the filter like this. Oh, not done this for a while actually. I hope modern Baler twine is as strong as the old stuff. Right, okay, you grate like that. So what you need to do is just simply put your screwdriver in, tighten it up like that. Doesn't work first time, you can always slide the screwdriver through a bit. Okay, so like now it's a bit difficult now when you get it tight like that, but if you can get past there, get up to there, and then because that is tight and very rarely breaks, Baler twine, you've now got a lever and a tight what's it, and usually this works, obviously bending the filter a bit. Okay, usually it works. Okay, oh, we might be snagging some at the back. And it's moving. It's snagging something there. God almighty. Okay, we might have to just reposition somehow. See, it's bending the filter with that much pressure on, but that's the general principle of it. What we're looking. Now it's moving. It's, yeah. Because if you can't undo it, you can always cut your Baler twine and use some more. So now we can reposition that. Look. Can we? Let's have a look. Around there. Now it's moved, we shouldn't need so much sticking through. I'll just give it another shot. And there we go. Oh. So that'll come out. Oh, might have to wind it one. Oh, that's it. And that's how you use your Baler twine, useful stuff, to get a filter off. Hopefully. I've used that for years and usually it works. I don't think I've ever had a failure with it. You can see it's been a while since that's been changed, but the tractor doesn't do a lot of work, so I'm going to get it changed today. There we go. There we are. Personally, when it comes to new filters and stuff, I use the local New Holland dealer, which is Russell's, which is a good dealer I have to say, and they've expanded quite a bit recently. So I use the Dale branch, our local branch, and I use the genuine filters because, well, I don't have to change it very often, so why not? Just smear a bit of engine oil around the filter ring, the rubber ring there on top of the seal. Okay, you don't want much, you just want it to be what's in. So what I might do is fill the filter up, to be honest, but we'll just make sure it's the right one they've given me before we do fill it up with oil.